you're looking to make a movie reviews cash cow channel, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or if it's going to get the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a movie reviews niche channel, I want to start off by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go start investigating on YouTube. Now we have to be thinking, what kind of movies do people want to watch a review on? So for this niche, I really found out that there's a lot of personalities behind the reviews. So I wanted to take a different approach to show you guys what a great channel looks like. And I just came across this channel, and let's go investigate the type of videos that these guys are making. So their banner already says that they're the best videos about fiction. Let's go further investigate. As I'm scrolling down, these guys are reviewing already popular movies, as I can see in some of the thumbnails and titles that they're reviewing Harry Potter and other cartoon characters, anime characters, the oldest superheroes, Dragon Ball Z characters, superheroes ranked, and Marvel characters. So when you make reviews about movies, you really do have different options with the way that you're going to present your content. So that's what I mean when I say try to be original if you guys ever watched any of my other videos before. Let's go click on one of these videos and let's go start checking it out. Just to start off the video did start off with a disclaimer of the type of content that they are using. They're also just presenting the Marvel characters by their name, their pictures, and the amount of kill count that they have. And I can literally see that it's just a summary of just the characters, scrolling down, listing out the characters one by one just to see the amount of kills that they have. These are the superheroes that got ranked by their kill count. I guess this person went out of their way to go research the amount of kills that each superhero went out and committed. These are all free stock photos that you can easily download and insert into your video. And there's also most likely a voiceover narrating the video, talking about the different characters, their kill count, and how the superheroes killed off their enemies. And if not, you could always include some background music as well. But let's go check out the video's performance to see if this type of content does get a decent amount of views. As I scroll down, the video itself has gained over 1 million views. Not too shabby for a viral video, especially when the content was easier than expected. The channel itself has over 200,000 subscribers, and we can see in the comment section down below that it does have some decent engagement, as it has over 900, close to 1,000 comments. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below. What are the type of movies that you guys are into watching? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization. Let's go check out how many views this channel is gaining and how much money they're making in just AdSense alone. Now if I go onto this website, I can now further see the channel statistics. As I scroll down, I can now see how many views this channel is gaining. In just the past 30 days, this channel has gained in over 4.5 million views, which is just an insane amount to be reaching. Now let's go check out their monthly earnings. In the past 30 days, these guys are close to that $20,000 mark, reaching those 5 figures of $19,000. And in their yearly earnings, this channel is close to reaching that $250,000, but they're making those 6 figures with $228,000. Sheesh! Who would have thought a movie recap can make you that amount of paper? If you are enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go check out just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go get our superpowers, our free stock footage, and our sounds to go put these videos together. And no, you don't need to be a superhero to make these type of videos. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just as easy as talking about your favorite movie. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the movie reviews niche does get the green light stamp of approval. There are so many movies coming out each and every year that are ready to be reviewed. And just by looking at the channels that we went over in this video, the type of ways that you could present a review can be really creative, and you could use this to your advantage when creating your own content. With the fresh content of endless movies, you will never run out of video ideas for your niche. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make, and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos and the channels that we went over in this video, I hope that you can use them for inspiration when you're creating your own content. Let's say this niche wasn't for you though. This is just one niche, so don't worry if this wasn't the niche for you. We're going to be exploring many others in future videos as well. But let's say this was the niche for you. You now have two options. You have option A. You can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting some time as you're gonna try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If you would like access to that step-by-step guide, I would highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're gonna be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe to Tube Grid if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.